In today's video, I'll show you how to use DSers to simplify your dropshipping. First, open your web browser and go to the DSers website. Log in with your account or sign up if you don't have one yet. Once logged in, you'll see the platform selection page. Choose the e-commerce platform you're using. A pop-up will appear, click install, and you'll be redirected to your platform's login page. Enter your credentials and click authorize to connect your store with DSers. With your store connected, you can now browse products from suppliers like AliExpress. Import the ones you want to sell into your DSers import list. From there, edit product details like titles, descriptions, variants, and pricing to match your brand. When a customer places an order, DSers automatically syncs it to your open orders list, letting you track each order easily and keeping your store organized. And that's it. You're ready to manage and automate your dropshipping with DSers. Thanks for watching and happy selling.